My name is FitTriGuy, and I'm going to illustrate to you today how tight muscles can cause joint pain. Now, I'm not a chiropractor or a certified trainer, but through my personal experience and personal research, this is what I've found. A lot of times people will come up to me a week or two into their workouts and they'll go, FitTriGuy, I have lots of knee pain or ankle pain, and they just say, maybe I'm not cut out for this. And what I try to explain to them is that a lot of joint pain is caused by muscle tightness. Now, to illustrate that, let's say that this is your leg. Let's say this is your knee and this is your ankle and this is your calf muscle. Now, whenever you work out, you're going to be expanding and contracting that calf muscle. You're going to be working that calf muscle. You're going to be creating these little micro tears in the muscle fiber, and as those muscle fibers break down, that's when you get tired. As the muscle fibers repair themselves as you're resting, sometimes what will happen is these muscle fibers will form knots, and those knots essentially shorten the muscle. These tight, shorter muscles pull on your knee or your ankle or whatever joint. You can see that here. Now, to get rid of these, you can do stretching, and that'll loosen those knots up and get you back to your length. But sometimes, if you're working really hard, you'll get what's called myofascia buildup. And myofascia buildup is a buildup of tissue that gets in between the muscle, similar to this, and you just can't stretch it out. Now, myofascia buildup will break up in time, but we're trying to get back to our workout. So what we do is we use active release therapy, or you can use trigger point massage. Active release therapy is great if you're new at this. You'll need to find a certified masseuse or chiropractor to do this, and they'll teach you a lot on how to do it. Now, the at-home remedy is to use something like a stick or a foam roller, or maybe even a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball. We'll talk more about that later. But essentially what you're doing whenever you do trigger point massage is you're applying pressure to this myofascia, and as you apply that pressure, the myofascia will break down, allowing that knot to come out and allowing your muscle to return back to its original length, but stronger this time. I hope this helps you imagine what's happening with your muscles and why tight muscles might cause joint pain. The best way to avoid joint pain is preventative, and that's by using your stick or your foam roller constantly. That way you don't have to do the true trigger point massage with the lacrosse ball or the tennis ball. Remember to do your stretching before and after working out, and to warm up and cool down correctly. I hope this illustration allows you to imagine what's happening to your muscles as you work out and recover, and why these tight muscles might cause joint pain. Don't give up. Just keep with your stretching, keep with your massage. The joint pain will go away. That's all for now. This is FitTriGuy. Stay fit, try hard.